Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly innovative to share with you all. We'll be diving into the world of robotic lawnmowers and taking a closer look at the EcoFlow BLADE. This state-of-the-art robotic mower is designed to make lawn maintenance effortless and eco-friendly. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the sleek and compact design of the EcoFlow BLADE. It's built with both style and functionality in mind. The mower is equipped with advanced features that ensure a precise and even cut for your lawn, without the hassle of pushing or operating a traditional mower. One of the standout features of the EcoFlow BLADE is its energy efficiency. It's powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that ensures hours of uninterrupted mowing. The intelligent power management system optimizes energy consumption, allowing the blade to operate efficiently while minimizing its environmental impact. Another impressive feature is the advanced navigation system of the EcoFlow BLADE. It utilizes smart sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms to map your lawn and navigate around obstacles. Whether it's trees, flower beds, or garden furniture, the blade easily maneuvers through your yard, ensuring a thorough and precise cut every time. The EcoFlow BLADE offers great flexibility and customization options. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily set mowing schedules and adjust cutting heights according to your preferences. Plus, it's equipped with rain sensors, so it automatically returns to its charging station when it detects rain, ensuring that your mower stays protected. One of the key advantages of the EcoFlow BLADE is its low noise operation. Unlike traditional mowers, the blade operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without disturbance. It's also equipped with advanced safety features, such as automatic blade stop when lifted, ensuring safe operation for you, your family, and your pets. Maintenance is a breeze with the EcoFlow BLADE. It features easy-to-replace blades, and the intelligent design reduces the accumulation of grass clippings, minimizing the need for constant cleaning. Additionally, the blade is weather-resistant, so you don't have to worry about leaving it outside in various conditions. To sum it up, the EcoFlow BLADE robotic lawnmower offers a convenient, eco-friendly, and efficient solution for maintaining your lawn. With its advanced navigation system, energy efficiency, and customizable features, it's a fantastic addition to any household looking to save time and effort in lawn care. That's all for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other products you'd like us to review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.